Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm working on my Moleskine journal again, and I'm going to use my Dylusions to prepare a quick and easy background. It's also a very short video because today's design was very simple, so let's see. I'm using a few colors. First I'm spraying some water on the page because this way the sprays will not be soaking so much in the page. I started with a turquoise color. Now I'm going to London blue. You will see all the supplies down below with the links. I'm using Fuchsia and a dark midnight color blue and a little bit purple. No matter what I did, and I left pages before and after empty, again it went through the spine a little bit, and I am simply rejecting to use masking tape in the spine because it looks bad. So probably next time I use sprays I will be using on a separate page and won't be using it in my notebook because it went to a couple of pages. Now I'm using this stencil. I never used it. It's been more than a year I got it probably. And this is from Crafter's Workshop. They are very cute lights. And I will use my gold paste. I know it looks like milky yellow now, but when it dries as a really nice gold color. I'm going for let's say I suppose the background is a night sky, and I have lights hanging in the night, in the dark, and I will have gold stars. I did this side. Now it's time to do the other side. And for the stars I'm going to use my Liquitex gold ink just to do splashes, and you can use anything, just water down gold acrylic paint, other things, gold gel pen, etc. There are many ways to do this. And now I'm going to dry this. Now I will use my Prima gold wax just to create an effect as if there is light coming out of the lights. It's very easy to apply. I really like these waxes. I've tried a few, and to me this stays the creamiest, and it doesn't dry with time. I tried Nuvo waxes from Tonic, and unfortunately all of them dried in time. I don't know why. So probably I will, if I will purchase more colors, I would choose Prima. And after this point I really didn't know what to do with the page. I liked it as it is. Well, sometimes it's more simple than other times. So when I was going through my stash to decide what to do, I found this sticker set, and I remember I bought this from Poundland for £1. Maybe to use it in New Year's time, but I didn't. So I decided to use them. They look really nice and go with my page, and they have stars. So I thought, why not do a celebratory theme and complete the page with these stickers. They have champagne glasses, so it doesn't need to be hard every time, and you need to do many steps. Can be this much. And the last thing I will do is the sentiment, and for this I found this sticker set, alphabet set, again in my stash, and I will just create a word myself, joy, because it's gold and it has some dimension, soft dimension to it. And that will be all for today. I hope you like this quick and easy page. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave me a comment or subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Umut Rados. to see the pictures or work in progress pictures of my projects. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.